You keep propping that van up, it might fall over. Hey?
The reason why I'm propping that van up, Kev, because we're in a little bit of a vortex. Is Ford and Volkswagen, which is better, as Volkswagen lost its edge? The problem was somebody didn't press record.
Get out of that one. Get out of that one.
I was more concerned on the livelihood of the rabbit, which, by the way, did get away.
You were traumatic, weren't you?
Yeah.
That's what it was. And why have you come as the Blues Brothers?
Because I've had my eye lasered. Yeah. Had my cataract zapped. Well, I had a cataract done. Then they put a film in it, they put a lens in it, and after a period of time those lenses cloud over. So you go to the hospital and you go click, 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 and the film's clear.
Oh.
I can see clearly now. Radar's gone.
I'll kick it.
Who sang
You know
that?
what that is there?
It's a man working, a man on a mission.
You actually put work in a sentence, Kev.
Four letter word, isn't it?
You need to turn the camera around.
I know. I like looking at myself. Look. With my Tommy Hilfiger prescription sunglasses on. Prescription one, this, you know. Bifocals.
Have you finished?
Yeah.
So, we've completely forgot what we did in the video. We wasted half an hour of our lives filming a video when Kevin hadn't put it on record.
Yeah.
What we're going to try and recreate the video that never was, that should be now, basically. So
we're doing a comparison between Ford and VW.
Right. So we know that VW is always going to be, it's a premium, probably 4,000 to 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 pound more. Right. But just lately we've seen coming on the market some really good builds from Ford, from Nissan. Chassis, not made by Ford, but chassis based. Renault are doing some nice builds are in them as well. So we're going to have a look and we're going to see which we prefer. That is going to be less money, the Ford, than the Volkswagen.
Yeah. Year wise, we're 15 and 16, aren't we?
Yeah. So the same age.
Really.
This one we did sell cheaper. Because obviously we brought it right, and that this one's sold now. We're just getting it prepared. It wasn't sold last week when we were actually doing the video. No. So first of all, we're going to go Luke's. What do you think, Kev? So we get a bit closer for the viewers to see.
I quite like the Ford. I think the Ford looks quite sporty, you know.
You do?
I think the Ford looks sporty, yeah.
Looks like a man growling.
And then you got your VW.
I must admit, I do like the classic look of the VW.
It's got boy racer wheels as well.
No, they look more like a washing machine. This has got nice wheels.
Yeah.
But anyway, we're digressing.
We're getting as bad as my missus, really. Well, it's a nice colour.
It is a nice white, that is.
I'm going to change my car, and she says, oh, well, I've ended up on buying a white one. Yeah.
What have you brought now?
That's a Duster.
Oh, okay.
But the missus saw a nice blue one. But it done more miles. It was older. So, and it wasn't good.
Okay.
Because the one I bought's a Prestige.
Can we get on with the video, Kev? It took us 2 weeks to make. Right. You liking the Ford?
Yeah.
It is a nice colour. I do like the classic look of the VW.
It's got a cult following VWs, hasn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
From the days of the hippies and the old bloody split screen ones.
Yeah.
Right?
But it does look nice. It's nice colour as well.
Yeah.
Let's go and have a look at the cabs. Yeah? I'll meet you. You go the drivers.
Huh? Like the seats.
Yeah, well, we'll have a look at the cab. Steering wheel.
Nice
You're
quality seat.
digressing again.
Right, steering wheel, nice and sporty.
Isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, that's a change.
Got the media pack.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aircon, 6-speed manual. Yeah.
Okay. Picture that in your brain.
Yeah.
And we shall move and have a look at the Ford.
I'll tell you what I've noticed as well, Jason. Hang on. They put an added thing. They got a bit of a centre console there. Seen it?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's not standard. Cup holders in it, isn't it?
Oh, so someone's put that in.
Yeah. Made a nice job of it as well. I always like the Fords with the sporty wheel, but I think Volkswagen have gone for that as well now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like this layout.
I prefer this dash.
I like the dash.
I prefer the dash.
I think it's more modern, isn't it? Yeah, I do. I like all
It's a CD
that
player as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not many have CD players in now, is there?
Now, at a certain age, a CD player was what used to be played as music, and they were also known as a DVD player as well,
Yeah,
where you could watch films
yeah.
and things like that. Going back a little bit further, there was things called the videotape.
Yeah.
That was a little bit more complicated, because if you wanted to get to a certain part of the video, you had to fast forward and rewind, which took a little bit longer.
There was 3 types of video. Did you know there was 3 types? Right.
Go on.
There was VHS.
Yeah.
There was Betamax.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then there was another one. Do you know what the other one was?
Go on.
The Philips 2000.
Was it?
And you know what? The Philips 2000, you could turn the tape over, record both sides.
Oh, okay.
Quite unique. Yeah. It never took off really.
Which was the best machine?
I'd say the Philips 2000, but
Right.
I think it was too expensive, and VHS held the market really. I
Right.
think there was a bit of...
Okay, I'm going to tell you something now, Kevin, if you want to go on to that.
Yeah.
Betamax was possibly the better... Oh, I'm off. Betamax was probably the better machine.
Better than VHS,
Right.
yeah.
Now, I don't know how true it is, but an interesting fact was the reason why VHS succeeded rather than Betamax is because they allowed porn on it. And since when the video machine came along, the explosion of porn in the California just exploded. And VHS, when Betamax had the models, and that's why it died out, basically. What were you going to say?
Yeah, I think there was some other dodgy dealings about it as well, really, why VHS got the market, but I don't know.
Oh, okay.
It's all American, wasn't it?
Yeah. Remember Blockbuster Video?
Yeah.
Right, do you know we wanted to do a deal with them?
Go on.
Years back. Netflix. Said it'd never work.
How wrong were they?
Anyway,
We're digressing.
right, cab.
Right, cab. Definite Ford.
We're going for Ford. We're going for Ford. We're going to have layouts are a little bit different, aren't they? Because they're not a bit different. They're always pretty much going to be the same type of layout.
Yep.
We'll go to the Volkswagen. Now, the person who's brought this vehicle, I think, is getting an absolute bargain, basically. Because obviously, if you notice with the interior, it's got the London thing. If you're from London, it's a great thing, basically. Because of this, it's knocked the retail price down a bit. So what I'd be doing is, if I brought this,
I'd put another wrap on it.
I'd wrap this, and you completely transform in the van again.
Yeah,
It's gorgeous looking van outside.
Oh, yeah.
It's a newer vehicle, low mileage on. But layout wise, they're going to be pretty much the same. You're getting a sink, you're getting the hobs, you're getting a bit of storage with your table, your seat will turn around.
Yep.
But we're going to show you the difference with the Ford, and then you're getting the
rock and roll
bed, which I think,
on this one pushes backwards, doesn't it?
I think so, Kev. Oh, there we go. Oh, for God's sake. Oh, what's happened? You pull
Does that have to go over there?
Oh, there you go. Kev's to the rescue.
Kev to the rescue.
Without that, this one goes back.
Yeah.
So we'll either go back, or like on the Ford, we'll show you.
It gives you more room here because that drops back.
Yeah. You're also getting the pop top, which actually gives another couple of berths.
Yep.
And it's 2 belts.
Yeah.
But when we show you in the Ford...
It's got heating as well, but note that the heating only works off hookup.
Yeah, and then also we're getting a chest.
Yeah. Chest fridge.
Chest fridge. Somebody there has put the microwave in.
Yeah.
So it's pretty much standard type of layout. We'll just jump into the other one, so you can't really compare the difference, to be honest with you, only to the person who's actually built the van. Obviously they put a chest fridge in. The difference here, which is going to be nearly 70 or 80% of vans, Kev.
Yeah, we've got the compressor fridge on this.
Compressor fridge, 2 burner hob,
Sink.
and the sink.
Exactly the same.
But we're getting the fridge there, and I'll tell you what, this is a nice build.
Very nice, isn't it?
So we're seeing now the difference in the 2 builds, basically. And then what we're going to get there, oh, that was easy.
Yeah, it's a nice easy.
This is where the bed comes, oh.
Takes up quite a bit of the living area, doesn't it?
Yeah. going to go forward, and where we had the what do you call it, the one swivel seat, this one here,
Yeah, I like this as well. It's a nice, easy one
it's
to
got
do as well.
two,
Yeah.
which swivel around nice and easy.
And every time you do it, you keep tangling that belt up more. Look.
So you could have it there. You could also move it back as well. I like these seats.
Yeah.
Oops.
It's an easy one to do as well, isn't it?
Oh, Kev, I broke it again. Kev, what have I done?
You come off the runners, have you come too far forward?
I haven't, have I? No, it's catching on there.
Oh.
Oh, for Peter's sake.
As I was saying, it's a nice, it's a nice, easy seat. It is an easy seat.
It was. Oh, for Peter's sake.
There you go. Rock and roll bed.
They're all, yeah, most of them are.
Yeah.
So your difference in price when you're buying stuff, I'm just noticing there we have got a Aberspatch, well, it won't be Aberspatch, I think it's a Japanese one.
Diesel heater.
Diesel heater there.
It's down the side of that seat actually where you're sat.
Right. So again, layout's going to be pretty much the same. The only difference is the quality of the build. Basically.
This is a good build quality.
This is a nice build quality, mate. This is
Two
nice.
tables tucked away there.
Yeah, this is nice. So what have we got left, Kev? We've got the back end, haven't we?
Mm.
And again, everything's going to be a muchness of a muck.
You'll have to open that from inside.
Can I talk?
Hey, alright, yeah. Talk to yourself. Go and put the kettle on while Jason's messing. He forgets to do things. Can you manage, Jason?
Hey!
Can you manage there?
No! I can't take it.
Why?
Stop the video, Kev. Let me get the other keys.
Huh?
Stop the video. Let me get the other keys. That's not working.
You got the other keys now, have you?
Got the other keys. Right. So you're going to get pretty much the same again, Kev, aren't you, really?
Yeah.
You have the little city thing on the back, which you have to make up the full length of the bed.
Storage underneath.
Bloody hell, what else has this got?
This is the one that's got Victron and all that in.
Just some kit there, isn't there?
Yeah. That's got a few bobs worth of kit in there. Nicely done as well.
Yeah.
Very nicely done.
Very neat, all the wiring is as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's your heater down there, Kev.
That's your diesel heater just through there.
Leisure battery.
Battery in there.
And then you'll have a bit of storage underneath.
Yep.
And then we'll move on. It's going to be exactly the same, I think.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's all boiled down to what kit's
And
been
the other
put
thing
in.
we've not mentioned, Jason, we both got solar panels on the roof. Good sized solars.
How big are them, Kev?
Yeah.
Good.
That
You could power a small city with them, couldn't you?
Battersea Power Station.
Jeepers creepers.
Well, that's a dog's home now, isn't it? Battersea Power Station.
Is it?
Yeah.
Now the difference with this one, because the bed went back, you're getting more space,
More space here.
aren't you? You're still then getting your storage, and then I think down here is your leisure battery and your gas. And
You know one thing about all this room at the back, you've got more capacity for carrying stuff.
Yeah, you have.
Your chairs and all that.
Yeah.
Once you get on site, you can slide your chairs underneath the van.
Yeah, you're right there.
Yeah, so even a couple of fold-up bikes are fitting there. Wrong door.
Always get that wrong, you know.
You do. The worst ones are when they got a bike rack on and you swing the door around and it whacks you on back at head, isn't it?
So, in a nutshell, the Volkswagen has always been the iconic one. It really all boils down to the build. But when you're looking at things like this Ford now, which is giving just as much, if not more, than the Volkswagen.
Just smaller budget.
and for a smaller budget, it's starting to take some of these other vans quite serious, like the Fords, like the Nissans, the Vauxhalls as well, isn't there? As well.
Yeah, the thing is if you're just starting up, obviously you go for something like this, and then you progress up, don't you? You can then go perhaps a bigger van conversion with a washroom and a lounge area at the back, or even a fixed bed one. Then you could progress to a coach built. So if you're starting off, why start on a big budget? Start on a small budget. All right, you're not going to get as much back as you are if you bought that one, but you're not laying as much out. So
well, the question is, Kev, the question is, that goes out to everybody that watches, if anyone watches, is, are you getting more?
Yeah.
Are you getting more?
You get more for your money.
More for your money, basically. So where people used to turn their noses up at these type of vans and everything, look at the kit and what's in this van.
Yeah, this has got more kit in than that one actually.
That's what I'm trying to say to you. So it all boils down. But if that had had more kit in it,
yeah,
that's going to be a hell of a lot more than this van.
Yeah.
Right. But the question is, what do we choose?
Yeah.
The manufacturer, whoever's building these vans and doing these vans, obviously they've moved on to these because obviously it's a cheaper base vehicle. Yep. Are you getting, if not more value for money than you would with a Volkswagen? So is Volkswagen now still the go-to camper van to get? Let us know in the comments.
Yeah.
Did you press record?
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. And don't forget to subscribe, because we've got how many subscribers now?
Oh, I don't know, Kev.
We're
no one watches that.
450 odd thousand. Get us to the 500,000.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, come on.
Okay.
Subscribe and get us to the 500,000.
Yeah, yeah, subscribe. Have you subscribed?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Not I've never watched myself. The wife won't watch them. I can say anything I wanted about the wife because she never watches them. She says I see enough of you in daytime without looking at your videos.
Right, wrap it up, Kev.
Yeah. All right. So don't forget to subscribe. Any comments? We love your comments. Yeah. What did I say? Oh, I forgot the song I said before.
Song.
I can see clearly now the rain has gone, I said.
I can see clearly now.
Who sang it?
The rain. I don't know.
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments. Yeah. And it'll be a test, because this is right at the end of the video, if anybody actually watches towards the end of the video.
It will, yeah.
Ah, so
because they thought when we said subscribe and comments, they thought that was it.
Yeah, we're going to keep our beady eyes. Yeah. Beady eyes.
So we'll caught you out there.
Yeah. Come on, Kel, let's have a cup of tea.
And anybody that sees us anywhere, don't forget to say hello. Yep. Cup of tea.
Yeah, cup of tea. Come on.
Are you going to make one?
No.
Oh. Why?
I don't know where the kettle is.
Huh?
I don't know, I'll make one actually.
I know you don't.
Why?
It takes you a week, doesn't it?
Do you know I only have one cup of tea a week?
I know, because I'm only in one day a week.
Yeah, I know. I know. Good cup of tea that was this morning.
Oh, was it?
I'll give you juice, yeah. Yeah. Have you seen the video off?
No.
Why haven't you better turn it off?
No.
I don't think people are going to be watching now, are they? Let's be honest.
Yeah, I'll just have a good look round the vans. Have a look down the side.
God, you're dragging 15 minutes out.
These are two customers that have just bought that lovely Escape. Come on, Jason.
What do you mean?